At my office, we have a meeting every Monday morning. Our boss usually starts by saying, "Good morning, everyone. How are you today?" We all say, "Good morning." Then he asks, "Are you busy? Are you free this afternoon for a training session?" Sometimes people say yes, sometimes no. Last week, he asked me, "What do you think about the new project?" I replied, "I think it's difficult but possible. We need to plan carefully." My colleague, Anna, asked, "When does it start?" The boss said, "It starts next Wednesday. Why not prepare a list of tasks before then?" Another team member, John, said, "I don't think so. That's too fast." The boss answered, "I understand. Let's discuss it more. What is your reason?" John explained, "We still have to finish the current project. We don't have enough people." The boss nodded and said, "You are right. We will change the timeline." After the meeting, I talked with Anna. She said, "Can you show me the report you made?" I said, "Of course." I put it on the shared drive. She opened her computer and looked at it. She asked, "Can you speak slower when you explain this part?" I laughed and said, "Yes, sorry. I sometimes talk too fast." Then I explained each step clearly. She said, "Now I understand. Thank you. I agree with your idea." Later, another colleague came to me. He looked worried. He said, "I have a problem. I don't know how to answer this client's message." I asked, "What happened?" He showed me his phone. I read the message. It said, "Why are you here? Why didn't you finish the task on time?" I told my colleague, "Don't be afraid. Just reply honestly. Say, 'I'm sorry. I needed more time. I will finish it tomorrow.'" He did that, and the client accepted the apology. At lunch, we sat together in the break room. I asked, "What are your hobbies?" One person said, "I like to play guitar." Another said, "I watch TV series." Anna said, "Would you like to go out for dinner on Friday?" Everyone said yes. I felt happy. Work is not only about tasks and goals. It is also about people, friendship, and sharing moments. That day I realized, even a simple "How are you?" can make a big difference.